Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for the best drones on Amazon in 2026, this video is for you. Today, we will review the top 5 best camera drones for beginners and adults based on camera quality, flight time, range, smart features, and overall value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let us begin. Number 1. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with 4K EIS camera. The Potensic Atom SE is a lightweight GPS drone under 249 grams, making it ideal for beginners and travelers. It features a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization, brushless motors, and an impressive total flight time of up to 62 minutes using 2 batteries. This drone offers very stable flight performance thanks to GPS positioning and auto return features. The 4K camera delivers clear footage in daylight conditions, and the 4-kilometer FPV transmission provides a reliable live view. It is easy to control and perfect for first-time drone users. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, up to 62 minutes total flight time, stable GPS flight with auto return, foldable and portable design. The Potensic Atom SE is an excellent beginner drone with long battery life and dependable GPS features. Number 2. GPS drone with camera 4K for adults. This foldable GPS drone comes with a 4K camera, brushless motors, and smart flight modes such as Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Circle Fly. It weighs under 249 grams and offers up to 46 minutes of flight time. Product review. This drone is designed for users who want automated shooting modes and easy controls. The smart features make it simple to capture creative shots without manual flying skills. Flight stability is good, and the drone performs well for casual aerial photography. Pros: GPS flight modes, brushless motors for smoother flight, foldable and lightweight, good battery life for the price. This is a great choice for beginners who want smart features and simple operation at an affordable price. Number 3. SKYROVER X1 Fly More Combo. The X1 offers 4K video recording, 8K photos, and an outstanding 96 minutes of total flight time with 3 batteries included. It weighs under 249 grams and features a long-range FPV transmission. The biggest strength of this drone is its extended flight time, allowing longer shooting sessions without frequent charging. Image quality is sharp for both photos and videos, making it a strong option for travel and outdoor filming. Pros: massive 96-minute total flight time, 8K photo capability, Fly More combo included, lightweight and portable. The X1 is ideal for users who want long flight time and high-resolution photos. Number 4. V11 Mini 4K drone with 3-axis gimbal. V11 Mini features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K video, 8K photos, vertical shooting mode, GPS with beeper, and up to 96 minutes of total flight time with the Fly More combo. Thanks to its mechanical gimbal, this drone delivers very smooth and stable video footage. Vertical shooting makes it perfect for short-form content on social media platforms. GPS safety features add confidence for new pilots. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for smooth video, vertical shooting support, long battery life with the Fly More combo, strong GPS safety features. The V11 Mini is one of the best options under 249 grams for users focused on video quality. Number 5. Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle. The A1 is an advanced 360-degree drone with 8K immersive video recording, AI tracking, obstacle avoidance, motion control, auto editing, and 10-kilometer transmission range. It weighs 249 grams and features a foldable design. This drone is built for creators who want cinematic and immersive footage. The AI-powered features make flying and editing extremely simple, while obstacle avoidance improves flight safety. Pros: 8K 360-degree immersive camera, obstacle avoidance and AI tracking, motion control and auto editing, long-range transmission. The Antigravity A1 is best suited for advanced users and content creators who want unique aerial footage. The best beginner drone is Potensic Atom SE.
The best smart features drone is the GPS 4K FPV drone. The best battery life drone is SKYROVER X1. The best video stabilization drone is V11 Mini. The best creator-focused drone is Antigravity A1. Check the description for updated prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.